So see, today we are going to discuss this question on GFG POTD. So this is finding the first node of loop in a loop.
Okay. So basically, we are given a head, and along with that, we have to check if the loop is present, then we have to return the first node of the loop. Else, we have to return null. Like, see, in this 1, 3, 2, 4, and loop is pointing to 3, then we have to return this node 3, not 1. Okay. So basically, how we can detect a loop? Like here, there is no loop, so we will be giving the answer as -1. Supposingly, now see, this is completely based on the Floyd-Warshall algorithm, or you can say the tortoise hair, which was there yesterday. Okay. Now, basically, if there is no head, I mean no head nahi, I mean if the head is null. Okay. Or if your head dot next is also null, then we will be returning directly null. Okay. So let's return null. Yeah. Now we will be taking two loops, slow and fast, both pointing towards our head, and we will be using the same which we used day before yesterday, which I explained. So if my fast, basically वही पूरा we are writing exactly. If our fast is not equal to null and my fast dot next is also not equal to null, then at this case, what we will be doing? We will be moving slow pointer by 1. Slow is equal to slow dot next. Fast we move by 2 so that we can allow them to meet at the same point so that we are able to find a loop. Now, if at any case my slow is equal to fast, wait, is equal to fast, then in this case I will be breaking. Okay. Now, if my fast, now see, also like if your fast is equal to null or your fast dot next is equal to null, then in this case also we will be returning null. Why aren't we checking for slow? Because if we check for fast, then there is no need to check for slow. Now we have to return the node.
So in this case, we will be taking the slow towards our head. Okay. And while my slow is not equal to fast, okay, while my slow is not equal to, ये मुझे FAT यही लिख लेना चाहिए था. Now see how we will be doing. We will be just increasing one pointer. Okay, slow is equal to slow dot next. Fast is equal to fast dot next. And अब इसके बाद see, now it depends कि you can either return your slow or you can return your fast, whichever you want to return. So let me return slow and see. Okay, nice, lots of compilation errors. Fast is equal to null. Identifier expected. ये क्या इसके वजह से था? Okay, so yeah, silly. I know this. These mistakes are so common for me. And now, see, basically, if you know the Floyd Marshall algorithm, you just need to, okay, also see, instead of slow, you can return fast also. Okay, you can return any one of them. You can either return slow, you can either return fast because both will be pointing towards the same node. Okay, and now let's submit this and see it works. Yeah, it works. So you can return any one of them. You can either return slow, either return fast. So okay, just if you need a reference, you can see the previous video of the detect how to detect loop in a linked list. Just that's enough, and just this much, easy one only.